Today I'm going to show you how to easily combine two images in Adobe Photoshop. First, click on the adjustment layer and create a solid color. In the color picker, you can choose any color for water. So I'm going to select that. Then click OK. Change the blend mode of this layer from normal to hard mix. I'll decrease the fill to 30%. Double-click on this and rename it watercolor. Now go to File, Place Embedded, and place your second image. Adjust the size and position. Hit Enter when you're finished. Change the blend mode from normal to screen. Then create a layer mask. Go to Image, and Apply Image. Under the blending, select the multiply. Then click OK. Open your brush tool from the toolbar. Select the mask. Make sure foreground color is black. Let's zoom the image. And just paint on the boat just like that. Now click on the adjustment layer and create a levels. Click on the clip to layer icon. I'll increase the midtone input to 0.80 and the highlight output is 140. Then close properties window. And that's it. Hope you liked it.